Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. I'm going to do a second review on the Deluxe Rock and Rescue Rope Bag from ABC Window Cleaning Supply. This rope bag will hold approximately 600 feet of 7/16 inch rope and is great to use even though it weighs about 70 pounds fully loaded with that length of rope. It is convenient to carry with the double straps backpack style. It allows you to have two hands to carry other items or to open doors. Once you get to a rooftop and you use a length of rope, it stores the remaining unused portion of rope inside the bag so it's not exposed to the UV rays from the sun. Helps prolong the life of your rope.